In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Google Fit. If you're looking to wipe your fitness history and start fresh, a reset in Google Fit does exactly that by deleting the activity and health data stored in your account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your Fit data is permanent and can't be undone. Your step counts, workouts, sleep, heart rate entries, and other logged metrics in Google Fit will be removed. Apps and wearables you've connected may still keep their own copies, but Google Fit itself will be cleared and will only show new data you collect after the reset. First, open Google Fit. You can use the app or access it in your browser. Just make sure you're signed into the correct Google account you use for your fitness tracking. It helps to double check you're on the right profile so you don't erase the wrong data. Next, look to the top right corner and select your profile icon. This is your account menu, and it's where Google Fit keeps your settings and privacy controls. If you manage multiple Google accounts on your device, confirm you're using the intended one here. From the menu, go to Fit Data and Privacy. This area explains what data is collected, how it's used, and offers controls for managing or removing it. Take a moment to read the on-screen descriptions so you're comfortable with what will happen during deletion. Find the section that summarizes your Fit data. You'll see categories like activity, workouts, and other health metrics that have been tracked. This is a good place to pause and make sure you truly want to remove everything. If there's anything you want to remember for later, note it down now. Choose deletion options. This brings up the tools that let you clear your information. You might see choices for removing parts of your data, but for a complete reset, proceed with the option that clears everything. Select Delete All Data. This tells Google Fit to remove your entire fitness history from your account. Read any confirmation text carefully so you understand exactly what's being erased and that this action can't be reversed. Finally, confirm by selecting Delete. The deletion process may take a moment. When it's done, your Google Fit will be reset and you'll be starting with a clean slate. If you don't see changes right away, give the app a little time to refresh. Going forward, new activities and health metrics you record will appear as usual. That's all you need to reset Google Fit. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you start fresh with your fitness tracking.